Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Chevy Traverse. This one's gray. Under the hood's a 3.6 V6. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior with a wood center console. Captain's chair in the rear. Rear climate controls. Third row seating. Come around back, we've got our Traverse LT badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats. Coming alongside, we got power windows, Bose sound system, power seats, steering wheel controls, our media display. So start it up. Rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Chevy has 66,929 miles. To view more photos of the Chevy Traverse, check out feldmanimports.com.